In a move signaling further political consolidation, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has dismissed Apollonia Munjerengwe from her position as Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution in Mashonaland, East Province, and replaced with Itai Dudzo, a figure linked to influential Rushwaya family. Sanabena mashoko atuna kuti aiwa mukomana panapa tugamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe oya achifaya a very common and loyalist wa general zvayanzi kuonekwa kunzi these guys they are now consolidating power. Panguva ino yavari kuona kuti aiwa kunyange zvavo vachinzi vakomana ava vapera, but they are trying their best kuramba vachimaita the grip on power. Not subscribe or like or turn on the bell. Kuti pina muzimudanyira chiti. The announcement was formalized through a press statement issued by Chief Secretary to the President Cabinet, Dr. Martin Rushwaya, on February 11, 2025. The statement confirmed that Munjerengwe was removed in terms of Section 108(1)(a) of the Constitution, while the appointment was carried out under Section 104, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. This development has sparked speculation about internal power struggles within the ruling ZANU-PF party, particularly between Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Munjerengwe, who is reportedly a relative of Chiwenga, is seen as a casualty of the ongoing political realignments within the party. Meanwhile, Dudzo, the new minister, has close ties to the Rushwaya family, known to be relatives of President Mnangagwa. This appointment further solidifies the Rushwaya influence within the government, following another high-profile appointments and the controversies involving members of the family. Ndochitiko CHAMISA Vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa a very close relative wajenerali aiwa anyazofewa pachena, and then a relative wemunhu aburitsa the press statement obva auya achiappointwa pathat position. Zvanisongobuda pachena kuti aiwa this is clear. Hapatomborina kana kuti panoda a political commentator auye akomende zvinhu zviri kuitika. Zvazvinongobuda pachena kuti aiwa pana pakomana vachinyatsokuona kuti havachadiwi vakudismisswa nevanhu. They are trying their best kuti varambe vari on to power, but zviri kungovashuva otherwise. Tudze mapfunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pane comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.